Your Metro by T-Mobile account number is a crucial piece of information you'll need for several important tasks. Let's explore why it's essential and exactly where to find it. Your account number is essential for four key tasks. First, you'll need it when contacting customer service for any support issues. Second, it's required for managing your account profile and settings. Third, if you want to switch to another carrier like Mint Mobile, you'll need your account number to port your phone number. And fourth, it's necessary for setting up automatic bill payments. Now let's look at the 5 different ways you can locate your Metro by T-Mobile account number. Method 1. Visit the Metro by T-Mobile website and log in using your phone number and account PIN. Your account number will typically be found in the payment section or on any previous bill. Method 2. Use the My Metro mobile app. Navigate to the Payment tab and look for a previous bill where your account number will be displayed. Method 3. Check your monthly billing statement, whether you receive it by email or as a physical copy. Your account number is clearly printed on every bill. Method 4. Look through your welcome email or physical welcome kit that you received when you first signed up for Metro service. Your account number should be included in these materials. Method 5. Call Metro customer care at 1-888-863-8768. After verifying your identity with your 6 to 15-digit PIN, they can provide your account number over the phone. Important reminder, always have your unique 6 to 15-digit PIN ready when accessing your account through any of these methods, as it's required for verification and account security. If you're having trouble with the Metro by T-Mobile app, you're not alone. Many users have reported issues, especially with bill payments and account access. Your account PIN is crucial for security. Metro requires a unique 6 to 15-digit numeric PIN, and it's important to avoid easily guessed combinations. Telecommunication companies are implementing stronger security measures to protect customer accounts from fraud and unauthorized access. If you're switching to another carrier, you'll need both your Metro account number and PIN to successfully port your phone number. Keep both pieces of information readily available. The telecommunications industry is moving toward more self-service options. Knowing how to find your account number yourself saves time and ensures you can access your account whenever needed.